Hi, welcome to Southwest University. Let me tell you about a little bit about welding and how important it is. Uh, First, let me introduce you to Eric Gomez.
Adrian
This is
Hernandez.
Adrian
Adrian Hernandez.
Pablo Barrios.
We're the welding instructors here at Southwest University. And Pablo, let me ask you a question. Where do your experience comes from?
I did a lot of structural steel, fabrication shops, some on the field as well. I did a lot of installing conveyor systems for FedEx. Did that for a long time.
What do you think it's important about welding? I mean, for this new generation coming up, is it really good out there? Is there a lot of jobs?
Well, there's more opportunity now than there is back then.
Right, there is, huh?
The class is growing, so there's more opportunity.
What are the classes that you teach right now here?
Blueprint reading, that's the only class I'm teaching right now.
Structural, right? Wow, nice. Another friend of mine, Mr. Hernandez, also a welding instructor for Southwest University. Where have you worked before, Mr. Hernandez?
Before this, I was at MX The Ignition. I was a TIG welder there for a few years. Before that, I was on structural out of Fort Bliss. I had to do a lot of structural in the pipe. Most of a lot of fab work, fabrication, stuff like that.
What do you think is important about welding? I mean, is everybody out there looking for welders right now?
Yes, there is, especially for entry level. So it's really good to get your basics done. Go out there, it'll get your job ready, get you ready for the field, wherever you guys need to be. It's a great experience to learn. You get a lot of benefits from coming to a technical school.
That's nice. That's great. That's great. So, why do you think it's very important? Again, for this new generation, the students.
Stay motivated, stay hungry. This is a great place to learn. We have really, really good instructors here, very hands-on, and we're ready to push you guys out.
That's great. What classes do you teach right now?
So I am doing structural, and I'm also teaching TIG.
Wow.
Structural and TIG. Those are the classes that I'll be teaching.
Mr. Gomez is one in here that's been the most time here. What have you done for work before? Where have you worked before, Mr. Gomez?
My experience as a welder has been in structural. I did some time in Odessa on the pipeline, in the oil fields. I was a part of the union iron workers for a long time. I've done everything from plastic welding, structural, fabrication, aluminum, stainless steel, carbon steel. So erecting and fabricating cranes with Mr. Morales at other past. But the classes that I teach alone, starting out here, I was in blueprint reading, basic welding, cutting, metallurgy. At the moment, I'm teaching Advanced 2, which is Introduction to Pipe Welding. But I've also taught Advanced 1 classes, which is TIG welding, getting the students ready for different types of metal that they're doing, carbon steel, aluminum, stainless steel, knowing their metallurgy. But right here at Southwest, we focus on the students on hands-on, 80% hands-on, 20% theory, but you will know everything that there is to do with welding. We try to focus more on the hands-on because most people learn from hands-on. Book-wise, we teach them the theory of it, but it's a good process. We make it interesting for the students. So not only are they learning the theory-wise, but they're hands-on. And right now, we're the only school right now, and I believe that is teaching our students right from the get-go on the certification process.
That's good. That's good to hear that. Let me introduce you to two other students here right now. Jason, can you come up here for a second, please?
My name is Jason Dejani. I'm currently a student here at Southwest. I have 27 certifications. Something that has helped me is obviously the teachers. The fact that it is hands-on, I believe it helps me stay more consistent. And if you're someone like me, you don't like staying in class a lot, hands-on is definitely the move. I just feel like this welding program can take you places, especially if, I don't know what's your goal in life, but if you're looking into getting a lot of money, this is really good career.
So you're getting ready for the future, go out there and make some real money.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Make the world bigger, huh?
Yes, sir.
Help out, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Wow. This is another friend of yours, you another
Yes, sir.
student for Southwest University.
My name is Jose Carvajal. I used to start a month ago in Southwest University. and I chose this trade school because it was something out of my comfort zone. I never imagined me doing this, but like my awesome instructors have helped me every step of the way. They're awesome. If you need any help, they'll be there for you. They'll guide you. It's just awesome that you are able to work with your hands and just practice a skill that you're gonna use in the long run and help the country or other part of the world by your welding.
You want to see the world, huh?
I wanna see the I wanna travel the world.
Good for you.
Thank
You
you.
will. You will. Pablo and Mr. Hernandez, can you give us a little demonstration of the test that we give here at Southwest University? Here off of our branch.
All right, so as we know, this is a branch right here. It's a great setup to get the guys get ready for the test. It'll be 6G combo. All right, no. I froze.
Your 6G combo. You're able to weld in different angles and positions. This is a 6G, one of the tests that we give out here. And we can also do a 5G, or we can set up the pipe so we can weld in the vertical position, the weld is horizontal. Then they can go to structural. Mr. Gomez, can you show us the positions on the structural plate?
Sure. On this, usually the students, what they do, they're gonna cut out two plates at 3/8 metal plates. So the different ways that you can weld off of this is that the way the position it is, where this is a 2G, it's a horizontal position. So the students, they can weld in a flat position, or they can switch it up and turn it into a vertical position with 3G. So on this welding process, what they're gonna do is, it's a V groove, so it's open root. You can have a 3/32 gap, 1/8 gap, 3/32 rod, 1/8 rod, 60-10, filling up the gap. So usually the process on it is, it's an open root, so you're gonna do a 60-10, open root, fill up, clean it, grind it, and then from there go 70-18, hot pass, filler, and cap. And this is part of the welding process on the certification. So depending on what position you're welding on, you have to make your coupons and full penetration on the back, so you have to test out two paces. One is gonna be your face, another one's gonna be your root. And then on this, we do the cleanup, and we actually put it on a bend test. So if it actually bends without breaking, it's a pass, and that's a certification. And these are the results of an actual bend test that were performed by students and instructors. So we teach the students the whole process of the whole certification process from beginning to start, how to mock up their plates, how to weld them, and actually how to clean up and bend.
Here, guys, we have some TIG displays on some stainless steel and some aluminum. This is the process that we teach you guys here to do. It's really fun. TIG is really fun to do. That's one of my favorite processes out there. This right here will be on a T-joint. Just run some beads on it. And we teach a lot of TIG here.
Different types of materials.
Types of material.
Pablo, can you tell us a little bit about the pipe display? This is what we teach the students also as well, to fit pipe together, right? So the students and the instructors get involved in putting piping together and get them ready out there for the oil industry, right?
Yeah, this is for the pipelines.
This is the pipeline, that's correct. So you guys have anything else to add? Then come to Southwest University, check us out, become a welder.
So the main thing you gotta learn in welding is the main three things. You're gonna learn, you're gonna burn, and eventually you're gonna earn.
That's right. Thank you.